Today guys, we are removing this Mazda 6 front driver side fender. This will be pretty much the same step as on the passenger side, so stay tuned and learn how to remove your own Mazda 6 fender by watching this video. So to get started, you need to pop your hood. So let's go ahead and open our hood. I done popped it. Now once you pop your hood, you will want to remove this bolt, and this bolt. We remove these 3 bolts and then we go to the next step. Bolts is 10mm. Now once you remove these 3 bolts, you want to open your door up. Now you can get to this bolt since your door is open. So go ahead and take that bolt out. Now you want to come down here to the bottom of your fender, and there are 2 bolts. Do you see them? You need to take them 2 bolts loose. Now once you get your bolts out the bottom of your fender, you want to come here and take these little clips out. They are all the way around your car. Okay guys, once you get that, you can peel this fender well back right here. And they are a 4-way. Do you see him? Well, he's a 1-way, he's a 4-way. You need to remove that 4-way. Once you peel your bumper back, you got 1 more bolt. Once you get that upper bolt removed, underneath of it is another bolt. You need to take that out. Well, you should be good to go. Pull out on your fender and up. And there is your fender. Driver side fender. All removed from this Mazda 6. Thank you for watching this video guys. Let me know in the comment section if you found it helpful. Drop a like if you liked this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it if you do. Almost got 1,500 subscribers after making this video. And that's a big jump for the channel. I'm amazed. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for subscribing, and thank you all for commenting. I appreciate every bit of it. Now, until the next video, I see you then. Check back daily for new content.